A warm welcome to PG Department of Actuarial Science. Actuarial Science is a unique professional course. It is interrelated subjects of mathematics, statistics, economics, finance, and computer science to assess the risk management in insurance industry and other professions. Bishop Heber College introduced Actuarial Science with the assistance of LIC of India and Institute of Actuaries of India, Mumbai, in the year 1991. Here I am proudly say we are the pioneer institute of actuaries platform in Asia.
Actuarial science includes a number of interrelated subjects, including mathematics, probability theory, statistics, finance, economics, and computer science to assess risk in insurance, finance, and other industries and professions. Actuaries play a crucial role in the operation and profitability of any insurance business. They help the firm with their expertise in calculation of premiums of various insurance policies, rating methods and reserves, asset valuation, pricing of securities and derivatives, risk valuation, risk management, and so on. Our curriculum includes a capstone course that integrates education in professional standards, ethics, and practical application of actuarial theory with commonly used actuarial models, software, and technologies. To enable the students to become well-educated graduates who can make significant contributions to the financial security of individuals, corporate organizations, and society through the ability to identify, quantify, assess, and manage risk and uncertainty. To build a center of excellence in actuarial and current business trends to sought after professionals who develop and communicate solutions for complex financial issues of the nation, and also inculcating values in order to address the problems of humanity.
Specialization of the program. ACTSUM. ACTSUM is a national actuarial summit which is being conducted every year on various topics. It is designed as a platform where all actuarial legends, corporate sectors, and other professionals may gather and discuss happenings in the actuarial field. Memorandum of Understanding. In keeping with the present educational trend, our department has signed a number of MOUs with various institutions and other reputed organizations in order to promote exchange of information, thereby facilitating and upgrading the quality of education. Industrial training. Students are encouraged to go for industrial training to get hands-on experience in the actuarial environment. Students have undergone internship programs that gives them the opportunity for career exploration and development and to learn new skills. Our students start their working learning practices from Swiss Re, Pramata Consultancy, New India Assurance, VDOT, Systec, and so on. Career opportunities. The companies like WNS, Aon, Swiss Re, Deloitte, Reliance Life Insurance Company, Arrowpoint, etc. exclusively conducts campus interviews for actuarial jobs every year for our students. Moreover, students are placed as actuarial analysts or managers through off-campus interviews in the companies like Watson Wyatt, Mercer, etc.